It's the never seen before clock OH.
As you can see, I can turn the clock. That's how you solve it.
Yo!
Actually,
let's go!
Hey guys, today is the start of the vlog for wonderful Weymouth 2021. So yeah, I just woke up and I'm just gonna go do some stuff now, and yeah, let's go. Levi, who should we subscribe to?
Subscribe to LAKEY. Click that red subscribe button and that like button for more videos like this.
Brandon! Alexander! We are at the comp. You can see people. Alexander!
Hello.
Hi. Yo. Beamed on.
Vlog.
Oh wait, I don't have my... We are in the venue and there's just some gangsters chilling over there. They're planning to destroy the place. Hello. So we're currently behind schedule by 10 minutes, but yeah, we're gonna start Maglev fight in like a minute or something. And yeah, let's just hope this man, let's hope this man gets a record. This is Ashley Foster, the delegate. The new delegate for Cube Clubs NZ.
This group will be Brendan Harris, Levi E, Richard Howe, Xavier, Liam Wadek, and Dennis Su.
I did squat and I got like a 10 average with a counting 9.3 somehow, which is actually quite funny. It's a clock. No way. Scrambling the best event is fun. Yes. Oh, nice. 476. That was good until the end.
Yeah, I know. He was like.
I cannot turn right now. I did clock and failed. That's all I'm gonna say. Double parity. Oh, low. It's 0.01 difference. Oh gosh, 9 out of 10 parodies. That's a PB. I finished 4x4 and I got 9 out of 10 parodies, which is amazing. And Alexander got like a 35 average, and Richard got like a 33 average. Everyone's so good at 4x4. So lunchtime's actually over, and my parents haven't come to give me food yet. So yeah, OH is already starting. So yeah, okay. See ya. OH competitors. So bad. Cups. Bro, all ones except for the. It's alright, but not amazing. Is that it? Bad OH average considering I was practicing at home before this. So yeah, like 21 average. Yeah, okay, next is Pyraminx, and I hope I get sub 2 average or something. This guy's gonna beat me. He's gonna beat me. Ready? Brandon! Oh, this isn't the right cue. Yes! Yes! Let's go! No! Alright, so I +2'd out of North Island record average, which is it's sad, but yeah, counting 1, and I still have finals, so hope that goes well, and yeah, see you guys.
Did you want to know?
I failed to...
Oh, you didn't
so
do enough.
bad.
Good
That's
job.
actually... That's more like it. 8 seconds. Yes! Wait, counting what?
Xavier.
Yes! Let's go! Yes! Ah! No! So 10 hours? By 9. Sub 10? Sub 10? Yes! Sub 10! Wait, sub 10?
I forgot it was clock.
No. Oh, damn it. You stopped it.
Maglev.